Hi guys, I'm Marco and today we're going to make an amazing dessert for the summer. It's a lemon mousse with only 3 ingredients. It's very easy, so we're going to start with the lemons. We're gonna take the juice of more or less 3 lemons. We need half cup. This dessert is perfect for this hot days because you don't need to start the oven or cook anything. And I don't know about you, but here we're having a heat wave of over 100 degrees, more than 40 Celsius. So it's crazy. This is a great device for juicing citrus. It makes things really easy. You can also do it with a fork, but ever since we have this one, this is our preferred method. So as you can see, it took me 2.5 lemons, but depending on the size of your lemons, it can take about 2 to 3 lemons. Another ingredient apart from the lemon juice is evaporated milk. Here I have 1.5 cup, which is more or less what comes in a can. And it's very cold. That's very important. It needs to be very cold. So now we're going to whisk this until it triples the volume. That's why it needs to be very cold. We're going to use high speed. And we're going to whisk for more or less 7 minutes. So as you can see, I've been whisking for 7 minutes and this more than triple the volume. If you see it triple the volumes pretty quick, keep whisking at least 5-7 minutes because the more air you incorporate, the more airy and light the mousse is going to end up. And for our third ingredient, we're going to use sweetened condensed milk. We're going to use 14 ounces or 1 can. So this is what's going to sweeten our dessert. I don't know if you knew about me, but I'm a fan of lemon desserts. Now we're going to whisk a bit more to incorporate the sweetened condensed milk with the evaporated milk. Now that the sweetened condensed milk and the evaporated milk are incorporated, we're going to add the lemon juice bit by bit, very slowly, while we whisk. You will notice when we add the lemon juice to the sweetened condensed milk that the mixture changes a bit. It loses a bit of volume. That's why it's important to incorporate as much air as we can to the evaporated milk. And it also thickens a bit with the mix of the lemon juice with the sweetened condensed milk. Now we are ready to put in glasses and to the fridge. It might look a bit liquid now, but just trust the process. After a few hours in the fridge, it will become perfect, and this is so delicious. Anyone that likes lemon desserts will love this one. Now that I fill my glasses, this goes to the fridge at minimum 6 hours, preferably overnight. The mousse being in the fridge overnight, already one disappeared, I don't know who. And now I'm going to decorate them with some lemon pieces and lemon zest. And that's it. Beautiful. Now there's nothing left but trying it. Look at the texture. Perfect mousse texture. Amazing. So airy, tangy, sweet, perfect lemon mousse. So let me know what other recipe you want me to make in the comments below. And if you love lemon desserts like me, go and watch this video next.